Dalam membuat hidangan apapun, api yang kuat sangat penting. Kali ini saya mendalami hidangan Korea bersama Bu Eri. Bersama Nayati yang sudah digunakan hampir 1 dekade.
So Eri, tadi I actually saw some cooking books here in your library, and you also have cooking books written in Japanese. So do you read Japanese?
My father is a Japanese Korean, and then my mom is Korean. Actually, I'm musician, but I always think playing music and cooking is very similar, very, very similar. That makes people happy and relax. I think because of my 3 boys, they eat so well, so I had to cook for them. I want to give them the healthy food, right? So that I grow up with the home food with my grandma, and I also want to give that
The same to your sons?
to my sons because of my memory.
Kalau untuk di your kitchen right now, do you have any favorite part? The one you use the most often, the one you cannot live without?
Of course, kompor ya.
The stove.
Stove. That's the very important. I need a big fire
Here.
because the wok we don't use every day. Then but stove, of course, we use every day, right? But my stove has enough power. Apinya besar, jadi very easy to cook.
I also heard that you're planning to start like a small culinary business from home.
Oh yes. Since my children all went to college, I don't have a customer at home to feed.
Yeah.
So I cook only for myself sometimes. I'm kind of sad,
Yeah.
And then I have such a nice kitchen appliance.
That can produce a
I
lot.
can produce a lot. Sometimes, of course, invite my friends and then they say, Harry, kamu jual aja, atau buka restoran aja, gitu. So I was thinking, okay. So I was planning maybe next month or 2 months later, want to launch only online first.
Online. By pre-order.
Yeah, pre-order.
And you think your kitchen udah pasti bisa ya untuk produksi banyak?
I think so. My kitchen is the capacity and then the alat-alatnya kayaknya lengkap ya. Waktu saya dari awal saya rencanain sama Nayati, I want to make a lot of kinds of food. So Italian, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, so that Nayati really concerned to design all the appliances, so that I think it's more than enough to open the small business for ibu-ibu. Yeah, I think it's enough. It was really big experience for me because I'm not professional chef like you, Renata. I'm the ibu rumah tangga.
I think you are a professional.
No.
So capacity-nya juga banyak ya. And at the end it's the same. Having a restaurant and a big home with your sons and the guests as customers. At the end of the day, it's the same basic hospitality.
Oh, thank you. If you say it like that, I'm so thankful. 제 생각엔 음식이란 그냥 입을 즐겁게 하고 배만 채우는 것 이상으로 그 안에는 사람들을 행복하게 하고 하나로 묶어주는 힘이 있다고 생각해요. 모두가 엄마가 해주시는 음식을 먹고 건강하고 행복한 개인과 가정이 되시길 바랍니다.
Sebagai seorang chef, saya selalu bermimpi untuk memiliki dapur yang ideal. Dapur yang selalu mendampingi. Dapur yang bisa menghasilkan masakan dengan sempurna. Dapur untuk generasi berikutnya. Dapur ini menjadi saksi perjalanan keluarga ini selama hampir 1 dekade. Api panas yang menyala telah mendampingi keluarga ini, membawa kehangatan ke setiap momen bersama.